Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about spending categories and which credit card has the best for each one. But before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Most travel and reward credit cards are going to have different categories where you can earn more points when you spend in that category, such as gas stations, restaurants, grocery stores, and a handful of other categories. Now, in this video, we're going to look at some of the most popular categories where you're going to be able to earn more points, and we're going to determine what credit card is best for each category. And at the end of the video, we're going to show you some bonus cards that'll really help you maximize your points. And then we're also going to look at what card is going to be able to give you the most amount of points through all the categories. So the first category is restaurants. Now, restaurants definitely is a very popular category. A lot of people have a large portion of their credit card spending through restaurants. So being able to get the most out of this category definitely is a plus. So we have several cards that are going to offer you 3x, so 3 times the amount of points when spending in this category. Those cards are the Citi Premier card, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the Capital One Saver One card. The American Express Gold actually offers 4 times the points. And for your first 6 months of having the American Express Platinum card, you're going to be able to get 10x on your restaurant spending. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, when you're booking through the Chase portal, you're going to be able to get 10x and then 3x on all other purchases. So for both the Chase and the American Express, their top cards, the American Express Platinum and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you're going to be able to get a 10x multiplier on restaurants. But there is some type of caveat. One, you have to be new to the card, and the other one, you have to purchase directly through their portal. So those 2 cards are good, but obviously there are those caveats. And the best for just overall spending, if you just have the card, no stipulations, is the American Express Gold card, and that's going to be 4x. So I'd probably say that that's going to be the top contender. If you happen to have that in your wallet, that's the one that you would want to go with, unless you are able to, meet that 10x with one of those other 2 cards. The next category is grocery stores. Now, grocery stores for us, actually, this is becoming one of our biggest categories that we spend in, because we aren't going out as much. We're trying to move all of our spending for food over to grocery stores. So this category is going up, but our restaurant category for us is going down. Again, there's a few cards that offer a 3x multiplier. Those are going to be the Capital One Saver One, the Citi Premier, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and then the American Express Gold card has a 4x on that as well. And there is another card that's going to have one of those kind of caveat spending, and that's the Chase Freedom Unlimited, where your first entire year of having the card, you're able to get 5 times on your grocery spending. So I'd say the overall winner in this category is, again, the American Express Gold card. That's going to give you 4 times on all your spending. And if you don't have one of the Chase Freedom Unlimited cards, then that card's definitely going to be the winner, because the first year, so if you're getting it in 2022, you're going to be able to have all year 5 times on your grocery store spending. The next category is gas stations, and in this category there's really only one card that's going to have a large multiplier, and that's going to be the Citi Premier card with 3 times for your gas station spending. So that's going to be the winner, I guess, on that category. The next category is drugstores, and there's only one card that offers really a multiplier in this one as well, and that's going to be the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and it's going to be 3 times points for all your drugstore purchases. So again, I guess that's going to be the winner. Now, the last category is going to be travel, and this is where it really gets complicated. Some you have to purchase a certain different way, some you can purchase directly through the hotel or through the airlines. Some different credit cards, you're going to have a larger points if you actually purchase through their portal, and you're going to have a smaller point if you purchase directly through the airline. So here we go. The Citi Premier, you're going to be able to get 3x on all travel. This is going to have to be booked directly through the company, so through the airlines or the hotel. American Express Platinum, it's 5x through their portal. The Chase Freedom Unlimited, it's 5x through their portal. The Chase Sapphire Preferred, again, it's 5x through Chase's portal. or 2x on all of their purchases. Now the one that's going to give you the largest multiplier is going to be Chase Sapphire Reserve, and that's 10x through the Chase portal and 3x on all other purchases. For the Chase Venture X, you're going to have 10x on hotels through the portal and 5x on flights, and again, that's through the portal. And the American Express Gold card is going to offer you through X through airlines or through American Express portal. And then the Capital One Venture One card is going to be 5x. So if you really want to get the most bang for your buck, 10x multiplier, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, when you're booking directly through their portal, that's going to give you the most points, whether it's on hotels, whether it's on rental cards, or really essentially any part of your travel. You're going to be able to get 10x. So 10 times the points is definitely the way to go. And the cool thing about the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is that card gives you a 1.5, 50% more point value when you're redeeming them through your portal. So essentially those points that are 10x, when you use those points through the portal to book another trip, they're worth 15 points. So that's really the way to go. That's definitely the best value for your travel, hands down, when it comes to booking, I'd say, through one of these portals. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't really want to go through the hassle of booking through the portal, you don't want to look through their flights, you want to book directly with the airlines directly or with the hotels directly, the other card, the American Express Platinum card, that's going to give you 5x when you're booking directly through the airlines. So that's going to be the runner-up, I guess, in this category. Okay, so now that we've went through all the categories, we do have a couple bonus cards that we do want to mention. Now, there are 5x multiplier on different categories, and with the City Custom Cash, you're going to get 5x on your top spending category every single month. And then with the Chase Freedom Flex card, you're going to get 5x on rotating categories. So this quarter right now, it's on grocery stores. So next quarter, it's going to be on something different. So if you want to utilize these cards, there's other cards out there that will give you these 5x on like rotating categories or things like that. But they're definitely a really unique way where you're able to, kind of maximize your spending. 5x on a certain category, that's quite a bit, especially if it's on a rotating category like grocery stores or wholesale club, something like that. You're really able to get a whole lot. And for us, we do use the Chase Freedom cards. So both me and my wife, we have a Freedom Flex card, and then I have the original Freedom card. That one's going to have the same rotating categories. There just isn't any other bonus points that you can get. So with the Freedom Flex, you get all the same bonus categories that you do with the Freedom Unlimited card, except you do get that 5x rotating category. So we have 3 of these cards that give us a rotating category. And again, grocery stores, I mentioned earlier in the video that this is one of our biggest spending categories. So we have 3 cards. You're able to get that 5x on $1,500 every single quarter. So for us, that's $4,500 that we're able to get 5x on throughout this quarter on grocery stores. So it works for us. Now we're going to look at what cards really give you the best option for multiple spending categories across every category. So if you want to hit almost every single category, the best card to go with would be the City Premier card. I'm actually surprised. I wasn't really thinking that this card was going to have as many options as it does, but it has 3x on every single category other than drugstores. So you have 3x on your gas stations, restaurants, grocery stores, and on travel. And it's a $95 fee. The card does offer a lot. So for $95, being able to, just have one card to pull out and be able to know that you're just maximizing all of your spending, that's definitely a good option. And what you also can do with this card is you can go with the City Custom Cash, and then you can get 5x. If you do use a lot of drugstore spending, then you can basically hit every single category having a large multiplier. With the City Custom Cash, there isn't an annual fee, so $95, 2 cards, basically hit every single spending category. If you're looking for a card that's going to give you the maximum for your categories for like your everyday spending, the American Express Gold card, that's definitely a really good option. It's going to give you 4x on restaurants and on grocery stores. For a lot of people, that's going to be the largest categories that they spend on. So if that's what you're going to be using your cards on and you really just want to get the most, that's another good option there. Now, one of the other best all-around cards that I think is going to be the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. It's going to give you, now if you're new to this card, now one of the next best cards, now if you are new to the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, that's going to be one of the top contenders for every day. Now if you are new to the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, that's definitely going to be one of the contenders for you to be able to use on an everyday basis, because if you are new to it, the first year you're going to be able to get 5x on your grocery store purchases, which that's going to be the card that's going to give you the largest for that category. And then you're going to also be able to have 3x on restaurants and drugstores. And then when it comes to travel, you're going to be able to get 5x through their portal. Now personally, I think Chase has a really good system. I think the Chase Unlimited Rewards program is one of the best out there. It has the most options. So you can use this card and you can couple it with the Chase Freedom Flex card to give you a 5x point bonus. Both of those cards are 0 annual fee. And then when you're about to travel, you can use those points. You can move them over to the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and that's going to give you 1.5 times spending for all your points. So those 5x points really are going to be 7.5. Those 3x categories are really going to be like 4.5 points. Then all your travel that you're booking through their portal is going to be 10 times points. Again, when you redeem them, it's really 15 points because of that 1.5 times spending bonus. So me personally, I think Chase probably is going to have the best system out there, but those are definitely going to be all the options. But those are definitely some of the most popular options, some of the best options that are out there this year. So those are some of the best options that are out there this year in 2022 for being able to get multiple points in multiple categories. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.